Hey guys, I tried to make a using module for Ableton Link, so just a quick explain if you wanna try, give it a shot. So it's a user module, you drop it, we start live or any Ableton Link compatible DAW like Bitwig, or I think there are a lot of hardware now and stuff. So we drop the module and you can if you want to control the master using sync, we drop synchro master and we connect start to start, tempo to tempo, on off to playing, and phase to cycle. I will explain a bit, maybe that's not the best, but and the module itself, we have a link button here. So if we enable link in Ableton, it's in preference, and you press link. And here, if it's light up, it's okay, we have linked. And now here it's what we want. So by default, I enabled all. It's we will respond to start stop of the DAW. It will reset the counter, the timing counter, and restart. And quantum is because Ableton Link, it's a relative. It's not an absolute sync. It's not everybody follows same exact song position. You join some timing and you will align to the quantum. So if it's on beat, we will be beat synced, but it could be beat 1 in Usine and beat 3 in Ableton. So I've set it to 2 bars. That means that both will have first beat every 2 bars. The first beat will be aligned. So when we are success, we see that if we change tempo in Ableton in Usine here, you see it follows, and it works bi-directional. If we set it in Usine, in Ableton, it follows. So that's cool. And once we're done, we can press play on the DAW, and now they both sync. And we can see that if we change tempo, it matches quite nicely. We can also adjust the tempo from Usine, and we can stop the DAW, and here it stops. Or we can also request start stop from Usine request start. And you see here there was a countdown, because if we, let's say the clock is still running background, if we start before the bar, it waits for the next bar to come and it starts. And same here. You can see in Ableton there is this kind of pre-roll. If I press play here, it waits and then start. So I think it's not that hard to understand, but so yeah, I think that's quite cool. One thing I have adopted is when we direct link cycle, it's kind of let's say it's kind of tricky, because we force Usine to really sync to the PPQ we provide. I'm not sure that's the best way. Maybe we could let this pass only when we change tempo and only when we receive start or stop commands. So maybe we should do something like this. We're gonna test, but maybe we should have a counter, millisecond, and every time that something has changed. Oh, sorry, has changed. Maybe every time playing has changed and tempo has changed, we start counting a bit, and while we count, we really pass the PPQ to the cycle. I think that should be better, but I'm not sure. We're gonna. The problem with this is, after a long time, maybe we could have drifted from one door or the other if there is a rounding. I'm not sure we got to test, but the problem with direct linking is sometimes you can hear maybe Ableton will force a position and we can hear some little glitches, but globally it's okay. But so I'm not sure yet, so I put it as a beta. Maybe we test and I'll adjust later on. Hope you enjoy. Bye.